У нее есть план, она горяча, но она не разучилась думать. У нее есть план, у нее есть план, у нее есть план, у нее есть план, у нее есть план.
Ёб твою мать! Ёб твою, блядь, в рот. Смотри, окно разбило вдребезги, блядь. Блядь. Господи, как я напугалась, блядь.
Ебать, нихуя себе.
Куда ты сплошную, блядь?
Я, блядь, не увидел.
Какой не увидел? Я не понимаю. Звони, что через сплошники, вообще головы нет.
Выпал. Так его выбило с машины. Надеюсь, у меня есть...
А, велосипедист.
Пидорас, сука, ебучий, блядь.
Ладно. Ну что сегодня, блин, видать? Что за эти? Come on, man, what the fuck? Really, dude? You can't get in the fucking... Oh, let's maneuver.
8 years
It was a
ago,
crash.
I started Blindster after my wife and I purchased custom blinds.
556-7YA.
Were high and the process was a hassle. About a year later, with no experience,
556-7YA.
my wife working at home caring for our 9-month-old son, quit my job and launched.
Hold on.
Turn left onto Danforth Drive, then turn left onto Reseda Drive.
Fuck, man.
Sync will attempt to call 911. To cancel this call, please touch cancel on your screen, or press and hold the phone button on the steering wheel.
Thank you, partner. Go ahead, thank you.
So like they tend to bounce a lot more than some of their 5-inch bigger brothers. And then speaking of 5 inches, that brings me on the last thing I want to talk about before we wrap it up.
Holy
well,
shit.
when you get the 6S version, how many people actually have 6S tiny little 4S, 6S tiny little packs to put on their drone? So for me, I've got like a 850 4S. I'm going to be ripping around on this 4S version, but I'm going to put your links down below. Well, where do you recommend to get some batteries? I've never really heard of too many 6.
Fuck! Shit! Damn!
I'm a good friend. So I'll focus on that. Oh, that's good.
And experiences rather than material life. Make it an experience and not just like a thing.
Yeah.
I'm thinking, oh, there are other things. Do we have enough things?
Yes, we definitely do.
Now here's one, and I think this is one we could all learn to